Hello, this is the prototype. The person has pressed start in the instruction screen and these are learning modes and has selected cockpit drill. And now the instructor is going to take through the basic of the car. First of all, the steering wheel, then the mirror, then the seat belt, then the indicator, then the handbrake, and the gear stick, and the accelerator, the brake, and the clutch. Then he's going to go through the cockpit drill. First of all, adjusting the mirror.
Good job.
Then gets a positive feedback.
Good job.
Then adjust the door mirror. Then adjusting the seat. Constantly
Good job.
feedback for each bit. Then telling to fasten the seat belt. And finally, the congratulations screen with the score. We're back at the learning modes and the person's picked the stop car learning mode and the instructor's going to help them with this. And he's going to use the PRM routine. Well, first is prepare. Now the person's told to pick up the key and turn the key. As you can
Good
see,
job.
and I'm just giving them a positive feedback by saying good job. And now they're told to put their leg on the clutch and push the clutch down and hold it there. And they're told to select first gear and bring up the clutch slowly. Then there's a meter to indicate if they're reaching the biting point and they shouldn't go too far, and they're told to hold the biting point and reward it again afterwards. Then there's the observe routine, and they have to check if it's safe, and check in the left door side mirror, check the interior mirror, and they are told to check the right hand mirror, and finally the blind spot. And is it safe? If it's safe, then put the indicator on. Next, the instructor is going to go through the maneuver routine. They're told to press the accelerator while holding the biting point and release the handbrake and fully release the clutch. Now, this is when the learner is in a learning mode with the instructor like before, and they need help, and they will ask the instructor for help, and the instructor will swap seats, as you can see, and will show them from the driver's seat. The paper user controls should also have moved to the passenger seat, but during filming, it was forgotten. This is the final learning mode, the test drive mode, and this is where the user can put into practice what they've learned from the instructor and see if they can do everything that was taught independently and without any help or assistance. Thank you for watching.